No. Here goes nothing. Hope there ain't no goddamn train that screwed up. I'm trying to get on screen real quick. My nigga's getting up from work. Shit. My dad just left. Rooster crowing. Moon's still out right there. The sun about to hit. Hour or two. The heck out of me. I was like, you know, I had a fucking delay through the fucking hills, nigga. What the fuck? And through the holler. Oh, shit. Fucking what got the nerve, girl? Holy shit. Oh, fuck. We gotta go to sleep. We sleep in this hole. And I ain't back there. I didn't even really aim towards like the houses and then through the woods. And through the woods, there's like, there's good. Y'all know what the fuck going on. It's not, cause there's houses all over that way. Holy shit. Oh, the porch lights on the woods, guys. Holy fuck. Yo. I don't know if y'all can see that right now. Cause, like, y'all just have to trust me on this shit. Goddamn. No, I don't even know. Like, a light that wasn't on. Fucking. Oh, okay. Hold on, cut. Shit. Oh, fuck, let's see if they fucking back porch lights. That's the only thing that's gonna come out that fucking goddamn world. What the fuck? Alright, so mind you, I just forgot, didn't even think that like a few nights ago, like maybe last weekend, I'm sitting out in my car all night. I dozed off. It's early, he's getting ready to go to work. This cop come by. I guess he stopped and talked to Dad. I could tell. Because, like, I didn't see him come from the other side, and then all of a sudden I see him over there, and they're lined up. They're flashing their lights like, get back inside. They're looking for somebody. Circling my block with the spotlights 10 times. Like, so I kind of, you know, I didn't want to be the guy that they were looking for. So I thought that was really funny. But yeah, that was so fucking louder than I thought, because I thought that I was going to do it pretty loud. And then once I started, I said, no, we're giving it everything. Full send for the thing. But when I went, I just fucking tried to do a hard finish, so I don't fucking know. I hear a lot of clicking outside, and maybe people out there looking. Yeah, damn. I might have to smash these together. Hang on, part 2. I gotta hear that.